Hi everyone, it's Julia from CakeJuliaCake and I'm here at the McCall's kitchen to show you today how to make a knitted pattern cake. And this cake is perfect for the holidays and Christmas is just around the corner. This will be a perfect gift to give to your loved ones. It's very easy to make. So follow along and please like this video and subscribe to our channel to find out how to make this cake. So let's get to it. So the ingredients and tools you'll be needing today is some buttercream that I already put in a piping bag. Also 2 more piping bags, one for a large star tip and one for the other tips, the smaller tips. And I have 2 small star tips and 1 round tip. And that's about it. So let's get started. So we'll start by putting the buttercream into the piping bag with the small star tip. And what you want to do, if it's easier, you can make a line on the cake, like score the cake, a line. You want to go into a vertical motion going down and piping down, like shell borders piping down. So I'll do one real quick and I'll show you how it looks. Doesn't have to be perfect. What you want to do now is switch the buttercream into the piping bag with the large star tip. And you want to make the same crisscross. So it looks something like this. And then you just want to keep doing the same thing with the different piping tips. And to finish our knitted pattern cake, I like to finish off this cake with the edible glitter that McCall makes. This is my favorite. I use it on all my cakes. I think I said it before. So just sprinkle it on the very top to make it look like snow. There you go. And McCall also has really nice and cute Christmas cake toppers, and I'll be adding the cake topper as well to the cake. This is my finished knitted pattern cake and I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys decide to make this cake, please tag us on Instagram at McCall Bakers and also at CakeJuliaCake. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel to see more holiday videos like this, and we'll be uploading a lot more since Christmas is around the corner. I'll see you guys next time here and happy holidays!